Number 1. Blink Video Doorbell, newest model, Sync Module 2. Answer your door anytime, anywhere from your smartphone with 1080p HD day and infrared night video and two-way audio. Experience up to 2 years of powerful battery life, custom alerts, privacy settings, and more. Choose to save and share clips in the cloud with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan or locally with the included Sync Module 2 and USB drive, sold separately. Number 2. All-new Blink Sync Module XR, System Hub for all Blink devices. Blink Sync Module XR is the first system hub to extend the range of your Blink Outdoor for wire-free smart security cameras and Outdoor for floodlight cameras, both sold separately, so you can see what's happening around your entire property with ease. Number 3. Blink Outdoor 4, newest model, wire-free HD smart security camera. Outdoor 4 is our 4th generation wireless smart security camera that helps you protect your home inside and out right from your smartphone. See and speak from the Blink app, experience 1080p HD live view, infrared night vision, and crisp two-way audio. 2-year battery life, set up yourself in minutes and get up to 2 years of power with the included AA lithium batteries, enhanced motion detection. Number 4. Blink Outdoor for Sync Module XR, wire-free smart security camera, 2-year battery. Outdoor 4 is Blink's 4th generation wire-free smart security camera that helps you protect your home inside and out right from your smartphone. Blink Sync Module XR is the first system hub to extend the range of your Blink Outdoor for wire-free smart security cameras so you can see what's happening around your entire property with ease, even broader coverage, with extended range. Place up to. Number 5. Blink Video Doorbell, black, mini camera with Sync Module 2, white. Experience 1080 HD day and infrared night video, motion detection, and two-way audio with Video Doorbell in mini, designed for every home. Install Video Doorbell wired or wire-free. Go wire-free with Chime app alerts or use mini as an indoor plug-in chime. Connect to doorbell wiring to sound your existing in-home chime. Set up yourself in minutes by following the in-app instructions. Answer your door no mat. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.